Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the adapter for the heater for greenhouse. Okay, so this heater is designed for natural gas and can be used for propane and for the liquid gas also, but for the liquid gas, to convert that into natural gas, or to make an equivalent, or to make that propane to work on this blower or in this burner, all you gotta do is like take this one out, unscrew it, and replace the spring on that one. That's the um, adapter for that. It's a conversion kit, so once you replace that, put it back in, tie them up, and then keep that spring for future use, just in case if you need to use that for natural gas. Okay, so all you gotta do is like unscrew that. If you have the natural gas heater, all you gotta do is like unscrew it. Once you take that washer, you should be able to replace the spring inside. So we still gotta take this one out. There's a spring up there. So this one is for natural gas. This spring needs to be replaced. As you guys can see, you don't see a lot of difference in this spring, as you guys can tell. So this one is like not that strong, but this one is more compact compared to the other one. So look at this. So this spring is for natural gas, and that one is for propane. You gotta replace that. I put the spring in there, and all I gotta do is tie them up. All right. There we go. Finally, the spring is replaced. So all I gotta do is like put the sticker on. I'll take this one out and try to adjust the pressure that I needed. Okay, so but now I'm just locking it up for now, and then I'm gonna put a sticker, one more sticker. It says warning: bulb converted to for use on LP gas. Improper operation could result in a death or serious injury. Okay, so this one put right here. So as you guys can see, bulb converted for the use on LP gas. Okay, so I'll put this sticker right outside these heater, so that whoever tends to open this will see that first before they do anything on this one. All right, it's kind of dusty, so all I gotta do is like clean them up, and then once I have the propane, it'll be all good to go. Alright, here is the warning sticker. You guys can see, anytime when you change from natural gas to propane, you gotta put this sticker on. This one, LP right there, conversion kit is on. So I need to wrap this one up, close this unit, and good to go.